they got a Christmas tree.
Yes, they do.
Nice. This is one of our top 3 favorite sushi spots in the Scottsdale and Phoenix area. We usually come here for the cocktail. It's the shigatsu one. It's usually filled to the top and it changes colors, but the bartender messed up and we didn't notice till after, so we couldn't say anything about it.
I feel like there was more last time.
It was definitely missing the alcohol, but we didn't notice until we left because we were so hungry. This was definitely a first, so now we'll know and watch out for it, but I had their miso soup. I honestly think it's the best here. And then we ordered a big eye diver roll, a Vegas roll, and a baked lobster roll. So I'm gonna grab this, and I'm gonna grab the other one.
The two of them, right?
2 of them, yes, love them. Should we get a stocking? No, we have nowhere to put it. I like the color of these pillows. They're cute. Okay, babe, this is heavy. You hold it.
Oh, now you want me to hold it?
Now you want me to hold it? Can't believe they have Valentines stuff out, right?
Huh?
Can't believe they have Valentine's stuff. Dove. Okay, I like Dove too. Fudge cookie. What is that?
Strawberry cream? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, do you want these?
Oh, yeah, those are good.
So we just got home from Target and I wanted to share what we picked up. Super random, but we got our usual. We pick these up during the holidays all the time. They're the kisses with the white cream and milk chocolate. And then our favorite Doves, which are just the milk chocolate. And then my favorite candles. We buy them on repeat all the time. I think I've mentioned that in my first video. Love the scent. And then I also picked up my favorite body wash. It's the pink lemon and mandarin orange. Really good. I use it like for years already. And I grabbed this shaving cream. I've been using it for the last couple years and it's really good at not leaving any razor burns or bumps. And I'm also trying out a new washing detergent, so I picked this one up. So, you know me, I have to get this sweatshirt. It's the Free People one in white. I showed it to you guys in like the salmon color before, but this one's perfect. I paired it with some Zara lounge pants and like it's just a cute like at-home lounge set. There's the bottom of them, but it's a cute like loungewear set for the home and just like staying cozy, especially like right now when it's like so cold outside. And I got a size extra small in the top. So obviously I ain't gonna be wearing this shirt right now outside with shorts, but my bun is being weird. Oh well. I can't do anything about it, but I got this blue top from Urban Outfitters. It's really cute. I like how that like it's cropped and then they like cut the v-neck through too, so they cut it right here and right here. Got a small in it and it's like 100% cotton. This is like the true blue color of it, not see-through, really nice. I'm making some mini pavlova cakes right now and I decided to go ahead and show you. I'm combining 3 egg whites, 7/8 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, a pinch of vanilla sugar powder, and a half teaspoon of cream of tartar. Also, if you haven't heard of pavlova or meringue cakes before, they are considered a very delicate dessert and they're usually served at fancier restaurants. And you're going to want to mix it in your mixer for about 5 minutes until stiff peaks form and the color is going to change to a pure white. I am going to be making 4 hearts, so I'm just dividing it into 4 equal amounts on a parchment lined baking sheet. And while you're doing this, make sure you preheat your oven to 350. That way it's ready for you once you're done. This part is kind of like drawing, so you're just basically shaping it in the way you would draw a heart. You can also go ahead and shape them into rounds. When you're done shaping your hearts, go ahead and place it into your preheated oven, but switch the heat to 225 and bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how chewy you would like it. The longer you leave it in the oven, the more harder it's going to get. Look how cute these turned out. They will expand in the oven, so make sure you leave some room in between. While it's baking, I get started on my chantilly cream. I use 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of sifted powdered sugar with a pinch of vanilla sugar powder. I usually mix it for about 4 minutes in total, but keep an eye on it just in case so you don't overmix. After your cream is all done, you're going to want to take out your strawberries and give them a really good rinse. I usually soak mine in vinegar water, but I pick out the ones that I'm going to use for decorating, so I'll usually just look through them all really quickly. After they're all rinsed and clean, take off the stems with a knife and put them into a blender and blend them up to a sauce consistency and then just set it aside. Once the pavlovas are done baking, turn off the heat and place a wooden spoon in between so that way they can cool down for about 30 minutes. I'm going to show you guys how I plate. So I'm just taking my strawberry sauce and I'm spreading it into a heart shape on a plate, and I want it to be a little bit bigger than my pavlova. Grab your pavlova cake and place it in the center of the heart-shaped sauce that you created. I get a wooden spoon and just break a little bit of the pavlova cake on the top. That way I can fill it with some of the cream. And I'm topping it with a half-cut strawberry and sprinkling it with some powdered sugar. Make sure you serve it with a side of strawberry sauce, or you can pour it directly on top.